Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can trade badges in Heartopia, the My Little Pony badges. So you are only able to trade them if you have duplicates. I haven't gotten any dupes so far, so hopefully I won't get any. But if you go to event details here, you're going to press the send badge button and then select the badge that you want to send. And then after that, you're able to then trade them with your friends. Like you're able to send it to other DG members or your friends. Um, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Again, I don't have dupes, so I cannot press the send button here. But again, if you missed it, it's here. Event details, send badge, and select the badge that you want to send, and then they will then send theirs to you, and then you'll be able to trade and stuff. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!